Hey guys, I'm back here. Just wanted to show you real quick where I bought the spindles, blades, pulleys, and belt from for the L120 tractor I was working on. So this is Amazon.com. They sell all sorts of different products, almost anything you can think of. And if you do a search, I searched for John Deere L120 48-inch deck rebuild kit. So you can see right there. And basically, it's come up with this kit for $151, and it includes 3 blades, 3 spindles, the bolts to bolt the spindles in, the pulleys, which I don't really need, but they're included, and a belt, which everyone needs, for $150, which is a pretty good price considering if you were to go to John Deere and get one of those spindles, it would probably cost you about $80. The blades are probably $20 to $25 a piece. So the best spot I found, if you can find it, is Amazon parts for these tractors. They're cheap. They'll get you through a season or two before they blow up and you'll have to do the job again. But at least this way you're not going out and spending, $500-600 on parts to rebuild a deck on an old tractor. So I've ordered this. It's going to probably take a week or two to get here. When it arrives, I'll unpack it and I'll show you how to do the install on your deck. Thanks for watching.